Hello, everyone. Today we're going to break down some fundamental elements of business.
Good morning, students. Today we will learn about a very interesting topic in business, how companies sell their products.
Okay, so please write down the first heading. Topic 1 is personal selling.
Now, what is this personal selling? I will explain in simple words. It is just a face-to-face conversation. Let us take one example. Imagine you want to convince your friend to join the school's cricket team. You will talk to him directly, no? You will tell him all the good points and answer his questions. That is exactly what personal selling is. It is a one-to-one talk to sell something.
So why is this method important? Students, listen carefully. First, it is a two-way communication. This is not like a TV ad where you can only listen. Here, you can talk back. Because of this, any doubts the customer has are cleared instantly. This also helps in building a good relationship, a trust. And it gives the company direct feedback on what customers are thinking. This is very important.
All right, students, let us move on to our next topic. Please write down topic number 2, sales promotion.
Now, what is this? The main thing you must remember here is the word short-term. These are special, temporary offers to make you buy something immediately. Let us take an example. You go to the canteen and you see a packet of chips is coming with a free toy inside. That free toy is there to tempt you, to make you buy it right now. That is a sales promotion. We see these techniques all the time. Kindly note these points down. First, we have discounts, like when you see a big 50% off sign in the market. Then there's buy one, get one free. Very common, no? Next are free samples, like when you get a small sachet of shampoo with a magazine, just to try it. And of course, there are coupons, which give you a discount on your next purchase. All these are done to give sales a quick boost.
And now for our third and final method for today. Students, this one is all around us. We see it every single day. From the moment we wake up, we are talking about advertising.
Now, this is very important. In this definition, there are two words you must understand properly: paid and mass communication. Paid means the company is paying money for the space, whether it's on TV or a big poster. And mass communication means they are not talking to one person, they are sending a message to thousands, even lakhs of people all at the same time.
So what is the power of advertising? First, it reaches a huge audience. Just think, one ad during a big cricket match is seen by millions. It also creates product awareness. You cannot buy a product if you do not know it exists, correct? Over time, good advertising also helps build a brand image, making a product feel famous and trustworthy. And finally, its job is to persuade customers to buy. And these advertisements are everywhere. We see them in newspapers and magazines. We hear them on the radio. They are always there on television. And when we go outside, they are on huge billboards and posters. And of course, nowadays they are all over the internet. They are truly everywhere.
Now, this is a very important point where many students get confused. What is the main difference between sales promotion and advertising? Listen carefully. Sales promotion is for a short time. Its goal is immediate sales. Think of a special Diwali offer. It is for a limited period only, no? Its messages, buy now. But advertising is a long-term thing. Its goal is to build the brand in your mind over time. Its message is, remember us.
Okay, so that brings us to the end of our lesson. Let's do a quick revision of what we have covered today.
So can anyone tell me, which method of selling involves a one-to-one, face-to-face conversation? Yes, that's right. Personal selling. Very good.
So, to summarize the 3 main points, you can write this down. First, we have personal selling, which is direct face-to-face selling. Then we have sales promotion, which uses short-term offers to boost sales quickly. And finally, we have advertising, which is mass communication to build a brand for the long term.
So students, today we learned about selling. I want all of you to revise this at home. That's all for today's class.
नमस्कार। क्या आप स्कूल में नौकरी ढूंढ रहे हैं, लेकिन सही वैकेंसी की जानकारी आपको समय पर नहीं मिलती? और अगर आप एक स्कूल चला रहे हैं, तो क्या आपको भी योग्य और भरोसेमंद स्टाफ ढूंढने में परेशानी होती है? आज यही समस्या हजारों लोगों और स्कूलों के सामने है। दोनों को एक दूसरे की जरूरत है, लेकिन फिर भी दोनों एक दूसरे तक पहुंच नहीं पाते। यही समस्या हमने देखी और इसी से जन्म हुआ SchoolCareer.in का। ये एक ऐसा ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म है जहां स्कूल अपनी वैकेंसी पोस्ट कर सकते हैं और उम्मीदवार सीधे उन नौकरियों के लिए आवेदन कर सकते हैं। यहां केवल टीचर्स ही नहीं बल्कि स्कूल से जुड़े कई पदों के अवसर उपलब्ध हैं, जैसे ऑफिस स्टाफ, कंप्यूटर ऑपरेटर, अकाउंटेंट, लाइब्रेरियन और अन्य पद। हमारा लक्ष्य है स्कूलों और योग्य उम्मीदवारों को एक ही मंच पर जोड़ना। अगर आप स्कूल में अपना करियर बनाना चाहते हैं या अपने स्कूल के लिए बेहतरीन स्टाफ ढूंढना चाहते हैं तो आज ही विजिट कीजिए www.schoolcareer.in।
क्या आप एक योग्य शिक्षक हैं जो सही मंच की तलाश में है, या एक स्कूल जिसे जरूरत है बेहतरीन टैलेंट की? रास्ते बहुत हैं लेकिन सही मंजिल सिर्फ एक। प्रस्तुत है schoolcareer.in।
दरवाजों को अब तुम छोड़ दो, उम्मीदों की नई राहें अब जोड़ लो। न भटकना है ना रुकना है अब कहीं, तुम्हारी मंजिल का पता है बस यही। स्कूल को चाहिए टैलेंट और आपको चाहिए ग्रोथ, यहाँ खत्म होती है आपकी हर वो हो खोज। प्रिंसिपल हो या टीचर, एडमिन हो या कोच, बदलो अपनी दुनिया, बदलो अपनी सोच। हजारों मौके लाखों उम्मीदें यहाँ जुड़ती है, तरक्की की राहें अब आपकी ओर मुड़ती है। बस एक क्लिक और करियर है सेट। schoolcareer.in है आपका सच्चा मददगार। schoolcareer.in सपनों को सच बनाएंगे। schoolcareer.in बेहतर कल सजाएंगे। स्कूलों की दुनिया करियर का है ये द्वार, सफलता चूमेगी कदम, अब होगा बेड़ा पार। schoolcareer.in लिखो सफलता की नई कहानी, बदलो अपनी तकदीर पुरानी। सपनों को अब पंख लगाओ, schoolcareer.in पर अपनी राह बनाओ। आज ही